welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the new Drybar Dual Plate Straightener. It's a very interesting looking straightener. I've never seen anything like it, honestly, so I was very intrigued and I decided to do a kind of first impression slash review video for you guys here today. So I'm really excited for it. Obviously, this is like recorded after, and I will jump to my crazy looking hair in a minute. But if you guys are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Giselle. I'd love for you to join my YouTube fam and hit that subscribe button down below. I'll have all my social media links where I post on the daily if I'm not active on YouTube. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get on with the video. Let's go ahead and get started on trying out this new Drybar Reserve Dual Plate Styling Iron. This is the box that the styling iron comes in, and what I find really interesting about this is the fact that it has like dual plates. I don't think I've ever seen that in a straightener personally. So when I saw that Drybar had this, I was very intrigued by it. Drybar is obviously really known for, you know, their products for blowouts, and they have a lot of hair products that I also really love. I've been a huge fan of Drybar for honestly the longest time, and their products are like really great for the products that I've tried, the scents and everything. I've personally really liked everything that I've tried out from them, so I'm excited to try this today. When you do open it, it does come with like this little card right here, and well, like this. It's like this little, you know, cute little card, and it says Drybar on it, and inside comes little pamphlets, which is perfect. It has, this is the very first pamphlet. It says Drybar Reserve Dual Plate Styling Iron Operating Instructions and Safety Guide. It has a little tutorial where it says check out our how-to videos. And I like how it has the website, so for anyone that's new or that might be intrigued by it and you don't know like how to use it, it does have videos, which is very, very helpful. And then it does have a limited warranty. On the website, it does say that there's 3 kind of modes of styling it. I'll include like a screenshot right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But basically it mentions the website, like I said, it does have other methods of like styling it. So for example, I remember reading that one of the ways of styling with this straightener is kind of doing like S-waves, so holding the hair like at an angle and kind of like clamping it. I'm just gonna straighten today. If you guys like, or if you guys want me to, I will definitely do like the whole S-waves or any other tutorial that they do have and try it out on my hair from the how-to videos. That's honestly the way I'm gonna learn, because honestly, all I do is really straighten. I curl my hair once in a while, but I just have so much hair, and I like how my hair looks straight most of the time. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Let's go ahead and get started. I know you guys can probably see my hair in the back. It's not straight, so let's go ahead and do this. This is the straightener right here. How pretty is this? I love just how light and minimal it is. Like the detailing. So it does say 4 plates, 1 pass. It says dual top and bottom plates allow for fast, easy styling and finishing in 1 single pass. It says it does have custom heat control, so temperature can be adjusted on each side for precision hair heat styling while help reducing damage to hair. And it says it's perfect for all hair types. So that was something that I also found really interesting, how you can control each side, the temperature. Normally on most straighteners it's just 1 setting and it like heats up the whole thing. So the fact that you can like change it around, I think that's really cool. I feel like it makes sense, because sometimes I guess it depends, like you would probably use less heat on the inner part and then more heat on the outer, because obviously the outer is what the whole world is gonna see. That's just how I feel like I would do it, so I did find that really interesting. It does say straightens and curls ergonomic design with 4 smaller plates. It's perfect for creating curls, waves, or a sleek straight style. For curling, I feel like it would do a good job, simply because right here it's kind of more rounded, if you guys can see. Like it's not super straight forward. And it does say goodbye frizz. Ionic technology uses the power of negative ions to reduce frizz for smoother, shinier tresses. And it does have a power button, heat setting, increasing and decreasing heat. It does have an automatic shut off after 60 minutes of use. Styling tips, it has a whole, section as well. They also have this on the website. Like I said, I'll include a screenshot. It says work in 1 to 3 inch sections. And for straightening, position the iron as closely to the scalp. Position the section between the plates, close the iron and pull slowly through the ends, and it says bevel the iron ever so slowly toward the base. And it does have the instructions for S waves and for classic curls as well. I love how it has a recommended temperature for fine damaged process hair, medium hair, and then thick hair. So it says for fine damaged or processed, it says 1 to 3 lights is recommended. So I'm guessing once I turn it on, 1 to 3 lights. That's 250 to 350 degrees. For medium hair, 4 lights, 400 degrees. And for thick, coarse hair, 5 lights, 450 degrees. So personally, I would fall into the damaged section, I guess. I don't have processed hair. I stopped dyeing my hair, honestly, a few years ago. I used to make videos where I would dye my hair, and I'll link them if you guys want to see. I used to just do black box dye, and I really loved it at the time, but I decided I want just my pure virgin hair back, so I stopped dyeing. Obviously, it's never going to go back to what it was. I'm like, every day I'm trying to make my hair be better. Those are the basic instructions, and I'm not going to bore you guys, so I want to go ahead and start. So it does have this very long cord, which is great. I love how this rotates. I love that so much. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and plugged it in. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And here are the lights. Went ahead and just went up to 4 lights, and it's already heating up. So I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair to straighten it. Go ahead and brush through my hair first. And work in thirds because I have so much hair, guys. Like, it literally goes down. I have like a lot of hair, and it's so long. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like from the back right now. So like the areas that I need to straighten, you guys can probably see it a little bit in the mirror, but basically this. For heat protectant, my hair is currently air dried. I washed my hair yesterday, and then I went out on a walk. So my hair is just air dried, no products, only literally shampoo and conditioner. So I have no heat protectant in it, so I am going to apply some, and this is perfect. Like, this is so convenient because I am obviously trying out the Drybar straightener. And my absolute favorite heat protectant when I have dry hair is the Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist from Drybar. This protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It smells amazing, and I love that you can use this on dry hair because honestly, sometimes it's not that I don't have time to do my whole like hair routine and like prep for heat, but sometimes I feel like products don't sit so well on my hair if I just washed it. I don't know what their whole reasoning is behind that. I have to like figure that out. Yeah, this is the heat iron that I'm going to use. And like I said, I do have a lot of hair, so I'm going to work in sections. So I'm going to do kind of like one section down here, one up here, and then finish off with the rest of my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Go ahead and straighten our very first piece. Just one swipe, and I feel like, and I love how it really already straightened out like those waves that I have going on. I don't know why I got them, but that's what I want straightened out because I want my hair to be pinned straight, obviously. I feel like I don't need to control a different temperature. Like, it just, I feel like honestly the level 4 that I placed my straightener at, I feel like it's working. I feel like it did just fine. So I'm gonna keep it at that and keep straightening every strand. Over that again. Guys, I literally showed my hair protected and I forgot to spray it on. Okay. So we're gonna spray it on to every other piece. And I feel like I really focus on the areas that I'm straightening, so like right here. And then I just kind of let it, just kind of move it around. And then go over it again. I just finished going in with like the whole kind of bottom third of my hair, and I noticed my hair is really nice and silky soft, which I love. I love when my hair is just silky. I can't take myself seriously with this. Really easy to use this. Honestly, I don't know why. I just didn't know because it does have like the 4 plates, but honestly it's pretty easy to use. I really do feel like I'm getting an even straightening even though it does have 4 plates, because I don't know why I thought, obviously like the whole thing goes through your hair, but I guess I thought with like the missing piece in the middle, like I don't know, I thought it wouldn't, you know, do like an even kind of straighten in a way, but it is doing that, which is great. And this setting is perfect for me. I feel like any higher my hair would like, it'd just be too hot and it would probably damage my hair more. But if you guys have hair like me, like just, even though I have a lot of hair, I feel like this is the perfect setting for me so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other third of my hair. I've only tied up a third of my hair now, and as you can see, most of the waviness is like right here. So let's go ahead and do these sections. Apply some more of the heat protectant mist. Let's go ahead and do the very top pieces, which is the most important part. Okay, I've let down the most important pieces, so I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair part where I usually part it, which is not like straight in the middle, kind of a little bit off to the middle, off to the right, my right. Done my hair part, so now I just have these top pieces. This is why I do it in like thirds, because once I get to the top it's so much easier, because if I have all this like frizz going on in the middle, it's just too much. Like I have to work in layers, otherwise I'm gonna end up with like curvy, like not curvy, but you know, like wavy strands in the middle of the back of my head. So let's go ahead and finish this off. Here I like to start at the back. I feel like I don't know, I feel like I feel more progress when I do that sometimes. So again, clamping it super close. I'm just gonna do a little heat protectant like on top. I'm just gonna do a little like this. Same. Go this side. Brush through it just so when I'm grabbing my sections I don't accidentally pull on my hair. This stuff smells so good, guys. If you seriously need like a heat protectant on dry hair, get this one. So I'm gonna do this portion last. I'm gonna focus on the middle just so it goes by a little bit quicker, so I can literally feel where I need to straighten. Okay, so right here. I feel like for me, this is about how much I can grab. Otherwise, it's going to be too much or too little. Like, I feel like this is like the perfect amount. And then I just kind of like to spread it. I know you guys have obviously been watching me do that, but I'm going to go ahead and keep on going. And then same process all over. Too much up top, just kind of like the bottom, so I'm just gonna slightly go on the bottom pieces, and then like this little strand. These were bangs and then they're so long now, so again just very slowly. So I am done, you guys. I absolutely love how my hair came out with this straightener. Honestly, it exceeded my expectations. The dual plates, I kind of had like second thoughts at first because, you know, it's like how, but it did a really good job, as you guys can see throughout the video. I did my hair in sections like I normally do with my other straightener that I use, you know, on a normal basis, and I really love how my hair turned out. I feel like it did a really good job, and it's just very nice and sleek, and that is exactly what I'm looking for in a straightener. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave all links down below to the straightener if you guys are interested. Check out the description box down below. I'll have all product information as well as their straightener mist thing if you guys are interested as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and the straightener that I normally use is the GHD Platinum Straightener. I can definitely do a video comparing both of them side by side if you guys are interested. I would honestly love to do that like for myself even, but obviously I can definitely record it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. Again, my name is gisellesperez. If you guys are new here, hello, welcome. I'd love for you to subscribe and join my little YouTube family. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.